You're scrolling through endless notifications at midnight. Your to-do list grows while your energy shrinks. That familiar ache in your chest returns, the weight of too much, too fast, too long. This isn't living, it's drowning. Long before burnout became an epidemic, there was a valley where three rivers met. The Turani people lived in rhythm with the seasons. They planted when the snow melted, harvested when fruit ripened, and rested when winter came. Their secret wasn't laziness, it was listening. Listening to the river's flow, the earth's readiness, their own energy. They built only what they needed, celebrated what they had, and trusted nature's wisdom. Then came Tira, a curious girl who discovered fire could transform stone. She created tools sharper than bone. Her village flourished with easier fishing, stronger homes, new possibilities. When elders warned against angering river gods, Tira whispered, "Fire and stone were always here, I only listened." Her words became their compass, innovation without arrogance, progress without presumption. But growth has gravity. Villages became cities, paths became roads, marks on clay became laws. With each advancement, the Turani drifted further from river wisdom. More became their new mantra. Aztira rose where rivers met, the heart city. Markets buzzed, temples gleamed, festivals lit nights. They stored grain against famine, knowledge against ignorance, power against uncertainty. Yet beneath prosperity, cracks formed, slums grew outside walls, villages resented demands. The river's rhythm became an inconvenience to manage, not a wisdom to follow. Disaster struck, invaders came, drought followed war. The people looked not to rivers but to kings. They traded self-trust for control, trading wisdom for efficiency. Victory came at terrible cost. Rebuilding began but now fueled by fear. Higher walls, deeper storehouses, more complex systems. The golden age began and with it the fall. Wealth bred envy, learning became arrogance. The council fractured, dark cults whispered in shadows. The river's song drowned in arguments, sound familiar. When old King Siren died, heirs fought like starving dogs over scraps. The city tore itself apart, brother against sister, street against street, all while true threats gathered. Then came the night of sorrows. Mysterious fires consumed temples and libraries. Centuries of wisdom turned to ash. The people woke not just homeless, but purposeless. In the ruins stood Neria, a traveler wrapped in blue. "You forgot gratitude and balance," she told broken crowds. "The river gives life, but you demanded conquest." While rulers squabbled, scholars fled upstream carrying salvaged wisdom. They built eternal new beginning, small, simple, sustainable, a seed of hope planted in humility. Neria brokered a fragile peace. "Dig not for glory but for water," she urged. They repaired aqueducts together, cleared canals, honored river ceremonies. Slowly the waters returned. Aztira rose again, smaller, humbler, wiser. They kept festivals simple, taught children both engineering and ecology, remembered fire consumes when untended. Neria vanished as quietly as she came. Some say she became river mist, her legacy, a proverb. A city's greatness isn't measured by height against sky, but by depth of roots in earth. Today your Aztira is burning. Your temple's health, relationships, joy smolder under non-stop demands. Your scrolls of wisdom, intuition, rest, purpose crumble to ash. The Turani's downfall began not with invaders, but when they stopped listening to rivers within, when more became louder than enough, when efficiency drowned wisdom. Your three rivers flow within, body, mind, and spirit. They whisper when to push and when to rest, what to embrace and what to release, but only if you're still enough to hear. Rebuild from your eternal the essential core. What truly nourishes? What ancient wisdom did you abandon? What fire needs tending versus what's burning you? Neria's lesson lives. Growth without gratitude collapses. Power without purpose destroys. Innovation without introspection consumes. Your greatest act of strength, cultivating enough. Let burnt temples become fertile ground. Carry only what feeds your soul upstream. Build not a towering monument, but a living rhythm where work, rest, and joy flow like three rivers meeting. The city never truly died, it transformed. So will you. Start today. Put down one stone you don't need to carry. Listen to your inner river. Let your life breathe again.